Okay. So here's my trade recap for January 10th on Friday. On the hourly, I marked out these hourly draws and liquidity right here, here. My daily bias was bearish, so we were in this consolidation. And then during pre-market, we got this big leg down because of high impact news. So I marked those out. Scroll on 1 minute. Market open. Right here, we got this big leg down because of high impact news. Market open at 9:30. I took my trade at 9:35, I think, outside of the macro, but high impact news kind of affected the market, so I took an early trade. But during pre-market, we got this this big leg down, causing a high time frame imbalance right here. I marked this out right here. So we have this high time frame value gap right here. Right there. I was waiting for it to get respected or see a retrace into it, which we got as soon as market opened at 9:30. Got this move into it. I waited for confirmation to the downside. We got a big leg down. Retrace back into it, and then draw EQ from there to there. Insert off of EQ, not on the blue candle, but on the black candle. My stop loss right here, where it would be invalidated. And usually my TP would be further down, like right here. But on this account, I can't go over a certain amount of profit target. So I did my TP right here, which makes this a 1-to-1 risk to reward. But if I was on a live account, this would have been a 2.6 risk to reward. Pretty solid. There. But yeah, so price respected this fair value gap after making it pre-market, which it tapped into it twice and went down. Or tapped into it the first time, got to retrace back into it to fill orders, came down to sweep out more liquidity. I believe it's retracing back up after sweeping buy side liquidity. Yeah. But yeah, that was the trade. Or actually, I think I drew EQ off of the first candle right here. And then I entered right here on this black candle, yeah. So my risk reward was actually a little higher. A 1 to 1.1. That's still pretty solid. This was like a 3-minute trade actually. I should have de-risked on this one. I think I took three contracts on this. That's why I got let's see what I got. Yeah, so on this account, you're not allowed to go over 1,500. So it stopped me out at like 1491. And then I misclicked and I got back in, not to get out, and I lost like $30. And it takes a fee too. So today's profit was $1,463. To pass this account, I need to do $1,500, $1,500 more dollars to pass this account. But yeah, it was Friday as well, so price was going to be pretty volatile. So I was waiting to see volatility, which we got during pre-market, and that's what really made me be so biased, made my bias bearish. So we got that big leg down, made that big imbalance, got tapped into, got respected, and just look for a setup in there. What I could do better on this trade is wait for my macro, but sometimes you have to adjust. Wait for macro, and then I'd say I'd like to have a longer TP, but I couldn't. That's probably the two things I could do better is wait for macro next time, and then have multiple contracts that I could take multiple TPs on. But a 1-to-1 is what we have today. Next couple of trades, I'll probably de-risk. That way I can like not do like one trade where it maxes out the whole account compared to chopping it up into more contracts. That way my margins levels aren't maxed out. Yeah, that was the trade for today, for Friday. Next trade recap will be on Monday. Yeah, pretty solid trade today. We're getting better at predicting where price wants to go, which is good. Yeah. With the volatility in the market, it's actually pretty good to see compared to December. Ending off Q4 was kind of trash because the new president isn't in office yet. Yeah. Pretty sure if I go to my dashboard too, it won't even pop up yet. Yeah, it still says new account. But yeah, I need to hit $3,000 my profit target. We're already halfway there, and it's been 1 day of trading. Yeah, right here, your best day cannot be greater than 50% of your total profit. So that's why I couldn't take multiple TPs or take a better risk reward. Yeah, that was the trade for today. We'll see what next week's price action gives us.